Alright, so we're out here at 71 feet. I may have actually created two different video segments here, so I'll kind of talk over a little bit more, probably just repeating myself here. But this is the end of a belly in the line right here at the connection to the main lateral or easement, whatever it may be. I'm going to go locate and find out where that's at. I will mark here with a green T and put a depth on the ground. I'll mention the location and depth of that here in just a moment. There was a pretty significant amount of standing water on the way out. I have now let the line drain out for about 10 minutes, so we should have a accurate assessment of how big that belly is on the way back here. I just attempted locating the camera head here at the terminus for the line, as this is also where a belly ends at. At this point, it looks like the line's heading to the rear. I haven't been able to locate it. If it does go to the rear, it likely drops in under this big drainage basin type thing in the back property. So I'm going to pull back here to the beginning of the belly and see if I can locate that part of it. Okay, we're back here at the beginning of the belly, and there is roughly about 2.5 to 3 inches of standing water there in the line. The water's way over the top of the camera head, especially on the way out when it was still clear. But there is debris getting hung up on it. You can see that on the way back through there. So I'm going to go ahead and try and locate here. And if I can, I'll mark the beginning of the belly here with a green X. It looks like the belly starts here at 53 feet. Okay, here at 53 feet, I'm still having trouble picking up the camera head, so I'm going to pull back here to about 40 feet and see if I can find it at that point. But the entire belly there I'm unable to locate. I don't know if it's due to the depth or what. Likely it is depth, but I'm going to try and locate here at the transition point. Now, I'm having a lot of trouble picking up the camera head period here. I'm getting a weak signal up near the about halfway up the driveway, but the signal is bouncing all over the place. I'm getting 13, 15, and then bouncing down to 9 feet. So I'll do one more set of locates here at about 30 feet if I can hopefully just get at least the direction the pipe is going. But it's likely going to require the repair guys to do some line tracing, or I don't know if city records would say or indicate how deep the line is here, just for bids. But right now I'm unable to even locate 10 feet prior to the repair, so I'll try and locate here at 30 feet. Okay, so I was able to get a kind of a bouncy signal here, but definitely the camera head. We're up near the front right corner of the house, about 6 feet out from the front right corner in the gravel area. I'm getting a depth of about 5 feet deep here. I just was noticing there's a few different large utility boxes right around where I'm locating, and it's possible that's impeding the signal or throwing it off. It's very possible. Power lines will do the same thing. So it's going to require the repair guys to either do like a line trace if there's a tracer wire, or maybe pull city records, but unfortunately my camera is not able to get a strong signal up through the ground, either due to the depth or the utilities impeding the signal. It's hard to say. But I do recommend a repair from 53 feet to 71 feet to correct the standing water. There is quite a bit there. It's a spot where debris can get hung up as it can't get through the standing water. There's a lot of resistance there, and it can cause buildup to occur, and then possibly blockages and things like that down the road. So I'm going to go ahead and reel back the camera.